Hi, this is Paul from globaltradingsoftware.com, and this is a crypto trading tutorial using our XSpread algo along with the divergence cloud and the new manager to manage this trade. So this is Ethereum USDT on the 4-hour time frame. So this is a longer term play, and this is for the summer of 2021. I want to talk about the signal, the confirmation, the entry, and then the trade management. So it's not going to be too long a video, but I want to zoom in a little bit first. So we go back to July of 2021, we can see that we've got a major support and resistance zone here. If I just take that left a little bit here and just extend this a little bit, this is a major support and resistance zone, and going into the end of July, we get our first XSpread algo signal long. So this is a signal on the 4-hour time frame. It's the first long signal we've had for a long time. Excuse me, that's just the market's opening. So this is the first signal we've had in a long time, this 6-star XSpread algo. Before that though, we've had the divergence cloud confirmation. So this green triangle telling us that divergence is in a bullish state. Sometimes we get that after or on that 6-star, but we need signal and confirmation. So we've got confirmation before the signal, and that happens. The next thing we really need to look at really is this support and resistance zone. We need to be above that for the entry, and this would be the entry just above here. Now I have actually purchased Ethereum along this line. I've got 9 Ethereum, or 9.28 Ethereum now. But what I'm trying to show you is the positions where it's best to get it. No one knows where those lows are, but once that bearish momentum's finished and we start to get signal confirmation, there's a good chance that this is going to go up, and it did. So we've got that tiptoe entry, if you like. It pulls back, but now look at this cloud. This is our part of the manager. So this cloud is saying this is bullish bias right now. It's on the swing trading settings. So if I go into the manager here, you'll see it's on the swing trading. We can change those for day trading, aggressive, moderate and conservative as well. But that's on swing trading right now, because 4-hour, you need to be swing trading. This is longer term holds. So we're in this trade. The cloud is green. We do get some pullbacks, but what I want to talk about is some pullbacks later on. So we see on the manager, let me zoom in a little bit here, we get green accumulation candles. So these candles are increasing in volume from the previous candle. So we get 3 there. We've got cyan dots on the top, which means higher than average volume. When we have lower than average volume, we get blue dots on the bottom. So we have this initial impulse move up, we start to pull back. Now we get some red candles, which is distribution, so there's more sellers in the market than there are buyers, but that runs out of juice really quickly. It doesn't even come to test this previous support and resistance zone support. Then we hold a support on lower than average volume, then we get another impulse move up, higher than average volume, boom 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 boom, all the way, and then it just keeps going until we start to top out. But you can see these pullbacks against that main bullish trend are either average volume or below average volume. So this is where the manager helps out for you not to panic. Okay, we do get a pullback here with increased volume. We get some higher than average volume. The cloud is still wide, it's still green, there's no issues there at all. We have another go at this resistance level. It fails again, it comes back down, lower than average volume. We have another attempt, this time higher than average volume, but it fails again. Now we pull back, we get a few candles here with a higher than average volume. So this is sort of a warning sign, but then that fizzles out, it runs out of juice. The cloud is still green here. We start to pull up, and we're testing this resistance zone again here. Now this is the interesting bit. So we formed this resistance zone now. We get a 6-star buy here, and we get the green triangle for the divergence cloud. So there's confirmation that the bullish momentum is picking up. So what we want to do is we get the 6-star candle, this 4-hour candle here. We want to add to the position when we breach this resistance zone, which it did here, and then it pulled back again. Pulled back again, we got a little bit of momentum to the downside, then it ran out of juice with lower than average volume. The cloud remained green, so the manager is telling you to stay in. We then move to test this resistance zone again. We get another divergence cloud confirmation for longs. Then we get another 6-star buy on the XBRAD algo. This is the 6-star buy candle here. We're through the resistance, add to the position if it goes through there again. And adding to that position means that candle closes and then you add to position above the high of that candle. And this is where we are right now. We've had a real big, what we call parabolic move up. And now we're holding station with lower than average volume. There's no real selling pressure here. And we can see that by these blue dots. Our green cloud is, bias cloud is, it's getting wider. We've got this really nice sort of bullish pennant forming right now. Now, when I say, we're looking for long term, if I now pull another chart over on the weekly, this move has been through here. Okay, this is an Elliott wave 4 pullback into this red support zone. We've cleared this major resistance zone here. We've got these previous highs, but in reality, an Elliott wave 5th wave target of around about 5,250 in that zone, 5,200, is where we would see this going now. Now it may come back to test this resistance, but again, when we're swing trading this on the 4 hour, we know we've got a 6-star buy on the weekly here. We've pushed through this major resistance. Now we're forming this bullish pennant flag, whatever you want to call it. This is looking ready to pop again, and I can tell that by the behavior on this movement here. These are 4-hour candles. Doesn't really want to move down. It's lower than average volume. We could come back to test, but in reality what we're looking for now is another impulse move up to break those highs, and those highs, those all-time highs are 438, 443, to get out to test that 5,000, 5,200 level. So again, it's about understanding if this does pull back and we get another 6-star, I'm going to add to the position. We started on this run around about 2,422. We're at nearly 4,000 now. This is a great return on that investment. And again, it's using those longer time frames, combining our crypto trading bundles, so the XBRAT for the signal, the divergence cloud for the confirmation, and then this new the manager keeping you in the trade and taking that panic away from you when you get those pullbacks. Understanding those pullbacks are lower than average volume, so it's just some selling, it's just some people taking some profit, but not really in any major sort of volume type effort. And yes, the cloud did go a little bit thin here, but it stayed green, and now it's widening again. So the manager keeping you in this position to maximize your profits. So don't usually make too many crypto videos. What I want to do, start doing some more of those, because this again just shows you the power of the XBRAD algo telling you when to buy, when's the best time to buy after this dip, and then it just goes, and then the manager keeping you in that trade and getting you extra positions with this with the XBRAD algos for more signals. So this has been a simple tutorial. All of these indicators are, they're out of the box, they work straight away, and the combination of that crypto trading bundle, which is basically the same as our day trading bundle, plus the manager really gets you into those trades early but sensibly, helps you manage those trades to maximize those profits consistently. Hopefully that helps, and I'll speak to you all really soon.